What if you were to fall into a black hole? Specifically, what if you only spent 10 minutes near one? Well, when you return to Earth, you'd be greeted by some very unwelcome news. More than 70 years would have passed on Earth, yet you'd only be a decade older than when you left. How can this be? Let's get into it. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity has a strange effect. It actually bends time itself. The greater the gravitational pull, the slower time seems to flow. This might sound a bit weird, but it makes sense if you think about it. Here's why. You see, the moon has weaker gravity than Earth. That means time on the moon is just slightly faster than it is here at home. On the other hand, Earth's gravity is stronger than the moon's, so time passes a little slower here. And the closer you get to a black hole, the stronger the gravity. So time slows down significantly the deeper you fall. In fact, if you were to spend just 10 minutes near a black hole when you return to Earth, you would be greeted by an astonishing sight. You would see people walking around with smartphones from the 22nd century. That's because the intense gravity near a black hole actually pulls time almost to a standstill. Meanwhile, your trip would only take 10 minutes according to your own clock. This phenomenon is known as gravitational time dilation. Technically, time isn't actually slowing down. It's just that when you're in a place with really strong gravity, like near a black hole, your clock ticks slower relative to someone who's in a place with weaker gravity. So if you ever find yourself falling into a black hole, you can take comfort in knowing that time is on your side. Just don't expect anyone to believe you when you tell them you've just returned from the future. Now you know that gravity doesn't just pull you down, it pulls on time itself. If you like science and tech stories, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.